Welcome to Fireside. Today is Tuesday, April the 28th, and we're going to be talking about rules, tables, and graphs, part one. A little bit more elaborate firesides here in the coming days. I don't have my trusty assistants here with me, so we'll make this kind of short and sweet today. Last week, if you remember, we used rules to generate sequences, identify relationships between corresponding terms, and then we graph points on a coordinate grid to visualize patterns and relationships. We're going to be doing something similar to that again today. We're going to analyze patterns and rules in tables of values to create graphs representing the data and answer questions using rules, tables, and graphs. So our standard is to generate two numerical patterns using two given rules. To identify apparent relationships between corresponding terms, and then form ordered pairs consisting of corresponding terms from the two patterns, and then graph those ordered pairs on a coordinate plane. Your warm-up today, and this will also be on the PowerPoint that I'll attach to this assignment, is to come up with the rule for these first two, and it's either multiply by something or divide by something. We then have a second or third warm-up. And then the fourth one you'll see is blank, and that's where I want you to see if you can get creative and create your own. And see if you can stump some of your classmates with your rule. So our math message today is an airplane traveled 480 miles in 1 hour. If it traveled at the same speed for the entire hour, how many miles would it travel in 1 minute? Well, the first thing that you have to realize is 1 hour is how many minutes. So you'll take 480 and then divide it by however many minutes are in an hour. We'll be doing math book pages 264 and 265. And part of what you're going to be doing after you figure out the math messages, you are going to put it into a coordinate grid. And you're going to plot how many minutes, how many miles, and you'll just connect the dots and draw a line to connect those points. We're also, for science, going to be starting something new. We're going to start a project, and the first thing you need to do is to pick a planet to do some research on. And you're going to come up with and invent your own alien. So you will see that. What I want you to do today is part one of that. Have a great rest of your day.